In this video, we are going to look at some of the reports you get with your inventory portal or your stationery portal. The first is the sales report, which have the option of giving you between any two dates. So select between any two dates, mode of payment, all. Then you click on search. So to give you the gross sales and then the sales that you've done per the category and per the invoice number. You can click on print. It will load and minimize it, so you get it from here. It gives you two reports. The first report is a summary of the items. So annual, so three copies, analysis story, three copies. If it's uniform, to give you the category too. So that's the summary, and then it gives you the details of the sales. That is the sales order number. The customer is preset 000. So the quantity of items there with the sales number. So with this sales, we bought annual one. With this invoice number, we bought and then the analysis story and all that. So with the date too, it will give you. So to give you the orders that have been made on the system. And so that is it for the sales reports. And the stock balance, you get the stock balance with each batch. So if you make any sales, the system gives you a unique consignment number. That's the CN. And so with this consignment number, annual quantity left is 197, and analysis story quantity left is 298. And then the cost, and it gives you the value of the inventory that is at the stores, and it gives you a general summary, because the first one may give you different consignment numbers for the item, and this one will add them up for you. So the textbook at a glance gives you that. When you go to the next page, give you another category. The next page give you another category, just like that. So that is for the sales, the inventory report, the stock balance. You can go to product information. Assuming you did what do you call this, and you took stock in your stores, and you could see that there were some discrepancies in some of the figures. You can use the inventory movement, the item movement, to check it. So let's say textbook, I want this, and then this batch from this date to that date. I want to check what has happened to that item. So you see that on first we did purchases 300, and with this sales invoice number we sold 2, so the remaining is 298. So every activity that is done on this item will be recorded, and then it will keep it in the movement for that inventory. Solve the differences that you are looking for. Let's look at annual. Look at this batch, and you can see that good. We have purchases of 200, balance 200 with this sales, with this invoice number. We sold 2, balance 198. We sold another one, balance 197. So this always the balance should be equal to the actual value on shelves. You can also look at your inventory register. That will give you a list of items on your catalog, on your system, category by category. So if you go to the next page, give you another category. It will list the items for you. So under textbook, you have these items and the prices. And then you can also reprint receipt, assuming a receipt for someone was lost and said you wanted the list of items the person bought. If you go to the date, you click on the item again, and the receipt is generated for you again. And then that is it. So that is how to reprint receipts and some of the reports that you can find on it. So at a glance on the dashboard, you can see that total value of 2, total products 2, transactions of 2, done 2 transactions for the day. If there are any real other levels, if you click on the item, it will change for you. If there are any items that are out of stock, click on the out of stock, it will change for you. And so that is it for the inventory. Thank you.